A federal judge has temporarily blocked a partial freeze President Trump was set to place on federal funding this afternoon. It's part of a lawsuit filed by several states, including Nevada. His administration saying the decision to halt some loans and grants for local governments, schools, and nonprofit organizations is necessary to ensure that spending complies with Trump's executive orders. Well, programs like Medicare, Medicaid, Social Security are not included in the pause. The judge's block of the funding came before the Trump administration was set to release details on what would be impacted. Organizations like Meals on Wheels, which receives federal money to deliver food to the elderly are worried about getting cut off. Democratic leaders in Washington speaking out strongly against the plan today.
This is a dagger at the heart of the average American family in red states, in blue states, in cities, in suburbs, in rural areas. It is just outrageous.
Again, this will not take effect yet after the judge's decision. Trump's original directive did not say how long the pause would last. Well, Governor Joe Lombardo is commenting on that matter today. He sent a statement to Channel 13. This reads in part, quote, "While these discussions are ongoing, it's important to reiterate that programs that provide direct benefits to Nevadans like Medicaid, Medicare, SNAP, and Head Start are continuing without interruption." But as Ryan Ketchum learns, that's not easing the fear for some locals.
Even though a federal judge has now temporarily blocked the Trump administration's plans, news of a freeze on federal money has caused mass confusion, not only among local organizations, but also with locals who rely on those dollars here in our valley.
Well, I think it's not fair and it's going to hurt the centers.
70-year-old Kay Griffin lives on the historic west side of Las Vegas. She relies on the services of the Martin Luther King Jr. Senior Center, including meals, health and fitness classes, transportation, and more.
We really need the money to help the seniors do different things at the centers.
The center is funded by the Community Services Block Grant. Those are federal dollars. So the Trump administration's pause on federal aid could impact those services.
It would be a bad thing to not be able to get the money.
The Trump administration said Tuesday federal assistance going directly to individuals, such as Social Security, food stamps, and more, will not be affected. But the confusion remains, and many local organizations are worried about the lack of specifics surrounding the freeze on federal funding.
Myself and many other colleagues in nonprofit leadership was on a call with 350 nonprofit leaders at 11 a.m. this morning, all expressing concern, confusion. We're afraid for not only the communities that we serve, but also our employees.
Kelly Maxwell of Baby's Bounty says her nonprofit offers essential programs for at-risk families. But Baby's Bounty, along with Las Vegas Pride and the Shade Tree, all told me they are partially federally funded.
About 40 to 50% right now, so which is still a significant amount of funding that we rely on.
The Clark County School District, Nevada Department of Transportation, and the City of Henderson all sent me statements saying that they're monitoring the freeze and they're waiting for clarity on what the pause really means. Channel 13 will continue to follow all the latest developments with a freeze on federal aid, and we'll keep you updated with how this could impact our valley. Reporting in Las Vegas, I'm Ryan Ketchum.